Hello, I'm Resident24. This is the first devlog of Apple Pie Simulator. It's an incremental game where you have to bake apple pies to get money. You will be able to upgrade everything in this game, and you will make a bunch of different types of pies with different apples and doughs. Sounds good, right? Well, now that you know what the game is about, let's start making it. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is make that the tree is going to generate some apples. It's very easy, but let's start with it. Okay, I have made the apple and it's an area 2D, so you can interact with it. I think the collision is, the hitbox is good, and also the texture is fixed. If you want to know how, you need to go to texture and here select nearest. Let me save it. Okay, now I create also this camera with some thumb, and now if I put an apple here, well, it's very big, so I need to here in transform scale, let's see 0.5 maybe. I save it here. Yeah, this is good. Now if I create the tree, you can see that is very cool. I can put here the tree, and now if there's an apple, you can see that the size is good. Let me change the thing. Okay, now I have to make a script that the tree is going to generate some apples. I made this script that basically when this timer that is activated every 1 second triggered, it will create a copy of the apple in one of these points, in a random one. Now if I track the project, you can see that the apples are generating randomly. Okay, now I have this simple script here that when you click the apple, it will disappear. Now if I try, and here's an apple, I can delete it. I'm going to make this more animated, and also I'm going to fix one bug, is that if you let the apples grow, in a moment it will be like 6 apples on the same point. So I need to make that first the maximum amount of apples is equals to the number of spawn points, and also it can't spawn an apple in a marker that have an apple. I updated the script of the tree, and now it's only going to generate the apples if the point it's going to be generated is not used. Also the apple script have to be updated only with this line. I'm going to try the new scripts. They work. As you can see, the apples are not spawning in the same spot, and now if I collect them, they are going to reappear, and there are no more than one apple in the spots. So this is looking very well. Now I have to make a way to get the dough, because I didn't think about it. So let's get into it. Okay, I have finished with the dough, and I decide to make a windmill, and when you click it, it will drop some dough. Here is the script if you want to see it. For the dog, it's just this, and for the windmill is all of this. Also, because I forgot the apples. Now when they spawn, they have a little bit of animation, as you can see, and the windmill also have an animation. Now, if I click the windmill, it will create some dog. Also, I think I have to nerf this a lot because it's too powerful. So maybe I make that it will create some dog every, I don't know, 5 clicks or something like that. And also I want to store the amount of dog and apples that you have collected and show it in the screen with a UI. So I'm going to do that, and then I will finish this devlog because I have made too much today. I made this simple UI, just say how many apples and dogs you have. Later we'll grade it very much because this is so simple. Well, now the wind might only create one dog every 5 clicks instead of every click, and the apple and the dog, when you click it, it will increase the amount of apples of dog by 1. Let's try it. As you can see, we have here the UI, and if I collect 1 apple, I have 1 apple here. Also, if I click the white mile on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have a dog, and it's also increased. Now the apples need to be nerfed, but it's just change a number. It's not create new code like with the windmill. So it's not so important. So well, I hope you like this video, and I see you in the next devlog. Also, don't forget to subscribe.